In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos on the ChatGPT app in 2025 and ask AI about your photos. We'll walk through each step with full clarity, ensuring you can navigate the app with confidence and engage with AI in new and exciting ways. To begin, open your device and head over to your preferred web browser. This is a universal starting point, but if you're on a mobile device, you'll want to ensure that you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection. Once you're online, enter the trusted portal of Google in the search bar. This is a fast and highly reliable way to access most services, including the ChatGPT application. Now, in the search field on Google, type ChatGPT. This should guide you directly to the appropriate links related to ChatGPT on the search results page. Here, you'll typically find the official website link right at the top. Give that a click to proceed to the ChatGPT website. It's always crucial to ensure that you're visiting official websites to protect your data and privacy. Once you're on the ChatGPT application page, you'll find a plus sign icon. This icon serves as a gateway for uploading photos to the app. This step is straightforward, and all you need to do is click on that plus sign to initiate the process of photo uploading. Double-check to make sure that your photos are prepared in a compatible format, such as JPEG or PNG, for seamless uploading. With your photo uploaded, you now have the option to interact with it in various creative ways. If you wish, you can provide a prompt to ChatGPT. This could be a question or a request to edit or enhance the photo. The flexibility here allows you to enhance your photos or even gather interesting insights or creative evaluations from the AI. Craft your prompt thoughtfully to achieve the desired response from ChatGPT. Now it's time to click on the Submit button. By doing this, you send your prompt and photo to ChatGPT for processing. The app will use its advanced AI to analyze the prompt and your photo, providing outputs that meet your request. This step is where the magic truly happens, as the AI processes the information and generates a response tailored to your input. Finally, your interaction is complete, and your photo is ready with any enhancements or insights provided by ChatGPT. You're now all set to explore your photo's new potential, whether you're just experimenting or pursuing serious enhancement goals. This tool opens up a world of possibilities. Engage with the AI creatively and enjoy the expanded capabilities at your fingertips. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope this tutorial has made uploading and engaging with photos through the ChatGPT app clear and straightforward.